Why do I have to yawn whenever I see somebody yawning too? Here is the explanation. When you yawn, others might yawn too because of contagious yawning, which is linked to empathy. People mimic yawns as a sign of social bonding, especially with close connections. Mirror neurons. These brain cells copy others' actions, like yawning. Evolution. Early humans might have yawned together to synchronize behavior or stay alert. Social cues. Seeing or hearing a yawn triggers an automatic response in your brain. It's a sign of connection and shared behavior. Did you have to yawn during that video? Write in the comments.